In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a salmon belly dish. Fresh salmon belly for $6.99 a pound. I'm going to marinate the salmon belly with salt, sugar, garlic powder, and cooking oil. I put the salmon belly into a marinade bowl, then scatter about quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then use 2 spoons to stir the marinade and the fish belly together and mix it very well. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. Then I put the fish belly into a dish to make it ready for cooking. On top of the fish belly, I am going to add half tablespoon of garlic black bean sauce, chopped up garlic, and sliced ginger. All the ingredients are added on top of the fish and it is ready for cooking. Set the toaster oven, bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And set to toast at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. The surface is toasted to golden brown. The salmon belly dish is ready for dinner.